Hello friends, welcome back to Stay Healthy with Saksham, and today we are going to discuss about immunity boosting foods, focus on holistic wellness, right eating pattern and what to avoid. Last video we talked about how to increase immunity. Drumsticks. Drumstick is one of the superfoods which help in boosting your immunity and acts as a shield for any virus to grow. Coconut water with lemon. Intake of coconut water should always be fresh. When you add half a lemon to fresh coconut water, vitamin C shoots up by 10 times. Once every day for the next few days, having coconut water with lemon is a must. Note: kidney patients should not have coconut water. Garlic, onion, and turmeric. These three are natural superfoods that will help kill the bad bacteria that thrive within us. Pumpkin seeds. Just by having 3 to 4 spoons of pumpkin seeds every day can provide you with substantial quantities of healthy fats, magnesium and zinc, which are vital for immune functions. Red capsicum. Vitamin C present in red capsicum is 3 times higher than the vitamin C found in an orange. Ensure to have red capsicum in your salad every day before meals. Focus on holistic wellness. Avoid stress. Stress and fear weakens our immune system. Hence, we should consciously avoid taking any stress as it will directly impact our immune system. Do pranayam. Being active by practicing yoga or brisk walking will always help. In particular, pranayam works best in strengthening our respiratory system. Take proper rest. Good quality sleep every night recharges our immune system. Practice gratitude and love. Just as sanitizers and masks work as shields on the outside, your healthy thoughts and immunity are your inner shields. Every moment, thank God for being safe, strong, and healthy. Just like we can spread a disease, we can also spread love and gratitude. Maintain hygiene. Wash your hands at regular intervals. Make this a habit. In every 3 to 4 hours. Wash your hands for 10 to 20 seconds thoroughly. Right eating pattern. Cooked food. Restrict the number of cooked meals to only twice a day, lunch and dinner. Eat more raw vegetables and fruits. Empty stomach fruits. Empty stomach fruit works miraculously and is highly recommended for making the system alkaline and building good health. Cucumber and carrot. One small bowl to be had before lunch and dinner every day for making a body alkaline. Water. At least 2 liters of water every day. Drinking sufficient water will not only help flush out toxins but maintain a healthy fluid balance. No unhealthy food. Avoid junk foods, dairy, maida, non-veg, deep fried packaged food as much as possible. What to avoid? Avoid handshakes. The Indian Namaste works best. Avoid crowded places and quarantine yourself. We can all do this not only for ourselves but also for the safety of others too. Avoid going out. Use this time constructively at home instead of being stressed. Taking risk of doing out is not advisable. Avoid public transport and unnecessary travel. This reduces your chances of catching an infection, and the lesser the interaction, the better it is. Social distancing. Avoid meeting people and practice social distancing for your own safety and the safety of others. This is our foremost responsibility and we must act sensibly now. Don't panic. Refrain from reading and circulating wrong information and causing fear amongst people. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.